Good morning everyone. Myself Ritu Singh, Assistant Professor in Electric Sarigam, will going to teach you regarding the diversion head work. So as earlier I have gone through various components of diversion head work. Now today I will go through silt regulation work. Okay. So let's start. Silt regulation work, we all know that the diversion head work, it's a component of diversion head work. Okay. What is the this role of silt regulation work? So whatever the water enter into the canal regulator, the silt canal regulator, the silt, it prevents the entry of the silt into the canal network. So what happened? It takes off the head work and reduce the constructed certain special work. This means silt regulation work is just to control the entry of the silt into the canal. So these are classified into two types, silt excluder and silt ejector. So we'll explain you in detail about this. So silt excluder are those work which are constructed on the bed of the river upstream of the head regulator. If you want to revise what is the head regulator and what is the upstream, let's go to the components of head regulator. So here the alignment of canal head regulator, and here you can see this is weir and this is undersiliceous portion. So if I'm concluding you, I'm explaining you about the silt ejector and silt excluder, it may be here and it may be here. So let's differentiate between silt excluder and silt ejector. So this is undersiliceous portion and this is divide wall which decrease the velocity of water and which enter into the canal head regulator, this canal network. So this is your canal head regulator and this is marginal burst and guide bank. Okay. So this already I have explained you earlier. So what is silt excluder? Which are provided on the upstream of the head regulator. So this is the upstream of the head regulator. So here it is a silt excluder. Okay. So why it is provided? So the clear water enters the head regulator and silted water enter the silt excluder. Okay. So silt excluder is provided just to exclude the silt and so that clear water can enter the canal network. So the silt is therefore removed from the water before it enters the canal. Silt ejector. Now silt ejector, I have explained you that it is provided on the downstream of the canal head regulator. So this is also called silt extractor and are those devices which extract the silt from the canal water after the silted water has traveled a certain distance in the off-taking canals. Means if you regulate the from the figure you can understand better. Here already you have provided the silt excluder. Okay, this is silt excluder is provided here. Okay, now you enter the clear water into this canal network. Now after the water is entered here. Okay, so at some distance silt ejector is provided here. So whatever silt enter into this canal network, we can exclude the silt, as silt is the demerit of the canal network. If you deposit, your canal can be considered as dead canal. So these works are therefore constructed on the bed of the canal and little distance downstream from the head regulator. Okay. Now various components of the river training works. Here you have seen in this diagram only, this is marginal bonds, guide bank. So why these are provided and what is the function of this training works, river training works? So these are required near the weir site. When you are constructing a weir or barrage across the river, these training works are provided. Why this is provided, you need to understand. So this order to ensure a smooth and axial flow of water means the flow of river is, the velocity of water is very high. So to still that water, to reduce the velocity of canal water, we have to provide this training work for the smooth and axial flow of the water. So to prevent the water from the outflanking the work and to change its course. And the main reason is also that the flow of river is not in one direction or linear. It can outflank and changes course. So this training works are also provided not to outflank and changes course. Okay. So there are many river training works in the canal head works are guide bank, marginal burns, spur or grounds. So what are these, we will study in details. So when a barrage is constructed across a river which flow through alluvial soil is very important. Alluvial soil means the soil which is carried by the flow of water. So it is to be constructed on the both approaches to protect the structure from the erosion. Okay. So your structure will not get eroded. So this velocity, we are reducing the velocity by providing this training works. So the guide bank serves the following purpose. It protects the barrage from the effect of scoring and erosion. So whatever the purpose from the scoring and erosion, it protects our structure. Structure means weir or barrage, whatever hydraulic structure we are constructing. It provides a straight approach towards the barrage. It controls the tendency of changing the course of a river and controls the velocity of flow near the structure. So the velocity is controlled by this, providing this guide bank. Now second training works is marginal burns. So this marginal burns are earthen embankment. Earthen embankment means it is made of the soil, which are constructed parallel to the river banks or one-or. So both the banks according to the condition, the top width generally, this dimension is provided here. So 3 to 4 meters top width should be there, and the side slope of the river is generally 1.5 is to 1, means 1 horizontal and 1.5 horizontal and 1 vertical, and that of the countryside 2 is to 1. Countryside means local side. If the city is provided near the river, so the slope should be maintained accordingly. Now what is the marginal burns? It solves the following purposes. What purpose is solved? It prevents the flood water or storage water from entering the surrounding area, which may be submerged or may be waterlogged. Okay. So whatever the cities provided near the river side, it prevents the flood water, storage water from entering the surrounding area. It remains flood water or storage water within a specified section. So whatever the section of the river, it maintains the water over that section, and it protects the town or village from the devastation during the heavy floods. So when you are providing marginal burns, you will also get protected from the flood, and it protects the valuable agricultural lands. Also, whatever the agricultural land provided near the side of the river, so this area also get protected. Now this is the main scenario, main topic of the diversion headwork. So whatever the structure we are providing, hydraulic structure we are providing like weir or barrage, so it can be failed by through various reasons. So what are the causes of failure of the structure? So for the diversion or distribution works are like weir or barrage, head regulator, distributory head regulator, cross drainage work. Whatever this hydraulic structure we are providing, it can be failed by various reasons. So what are the various reasons we can discuss here? So this structure are generally found in alluvial soil which are highly pervious. So when it can be failed, when it is highly pervious, means it is made of earthen embankment, so it can fail by seepage. Will follow all this. So these soils are easily scored when the high velocity water passes over the structure. So when high velocity of water, and the failure of weir constructed on the permeable foundation may occur due to various causes which are broadly classified: failure due to subsurface flow and failure due to surface flow. So these two topics I will discuss in the next lecture. Uh, Thank you. Hope you understand.